Hey my loves, so today I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial doing a really simple but beautiful glam, one that you can wear out and about, even a little bit of a date night glam because I'm going out later. I'm going to be using the products in my IPSY Glam Bag X collection. So I'm going to walk you guys through a couple of very specific products, and I'm going to do my tutorial and you guys can follow along with the rest of your products in the box. So I did a light contour also with a very light base. I basically diluted the foundation that I always use and made it a lot lighter, a lot more glowy. I'm going to now use our Overachiever concealer. I like to go really close to the nose, pulling it outward and along the eyelid here and cheekbone. And I'm gonna put it on my chin and my brows, bridge of the nose. Now I'm gonna grab my blender. Sometimes if I need everything to blend in a little bit better, I just grab my foundation brush and I just continue to blend everything. You can see I did a little bit of smoked out liner using the brown. You can use, whatever brown shadow you have, or if you want to take a liner and smudge it, I always like to do a little bit of a smoked out liner. I think it's really pretty and it's a great way to do a light glam. In your bag, you have the Legit Lashes mascara, literally my favorite mascara in the entire world. We have a volume side and we have a length side. Each one has a different formula as well as a different brush, and they also have these little fibers inside of it that actually add on this extra length. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly using the volume side first. I'm going to just go as close as I can to my waterline, and I'm kind of only applying the volume there. And I'm going to use the tip here, which is a little pointed. And now I'm going to take the other side. I'm going to go from the middle, pulling those lashes outward. You can immediately see the fibers are attaching to my lid. So I have volume at the base and a lot of length. This is Diamond Balm. You can see it's full of shimmer. It also has mango butter. So depending on the color you get, they're all pretty sheer, but they do have a little bit of a tint of color. This is Negligee. It has a little bit of a tinted kind of brownie color. And it feels super, super buttery. I'm going to finish off the look now just using our Glow Cocoa setting spray. It's infused with coconut oil, coconut water, coconut milk, so it really has that trifecta of coconut, and it gives your skin a little bit of this like glowy effect when you use it. So this is the final really kind of soft glam look. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm super excited for you guys to try these products. There's more to come.